Sit comfortably. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Place your hands gently in your lap. Gently close your eyes. Let the body settle. Let the mind become quiet. There is nowhere to go right now, nothing to achieve. Just be here. Bring your attention to the breath. Do not control the breath. Do not change the breath in any way. Just notice each inhale and each exhale. If the mind wanders, that is natural. When you notice it, gently return to the breath. This gentle returning is the practice. Now bring your attention to the body. For the last 6 days, you have been practicing awareness. You have been learning to sit, learning to notice the breath, learning to observe the body, learning to watch thoughts, learning to notice feelings, learning loving kindness. Now we bring all of that into daily life. Meditation is not only for sitting quietly. Meditation is also for walking. Meditation is also for working. Meditation is also for eating. Meditation is also for speaking. Meditation is also for resting. In daily life, the mind often runs quickly. We think ahead, we worry, we react, we become tired. But if awareness is present, life becomes easier to carry. Now imagine your normal day, waking up, brushing your teeth, bathing, eating, traveling, working, talking with people, doing small tasks. Try to bring awareness into each action. When you are walking, know that you are walking. When you are eating, know that you are eating. When you are speaking, know that you are speaking. When you are sitting, know that you are sitting. There is no need to rush. There is no need to become perfect. Just know what you are doing. This simple knowing brings calm. When a thought comes, notice it. When a feeling comes, notice it. When the body feels tense, notice it. When the mind feels busy, notice it. Then gently return to the present moment. This is how meditation becomes part of life, not only on the cushion, not only in silence, but in every moment. If you feel stressed during the day, pause for one breath. Just one breath. Feel the inhale. Feel the exhale. That one breath can bring you back to yourself. If you feel angry, pause. Notice the anger. Do not react immediately. Take one calm breath. Then respond with awareness. If you feel sad, pause. Notice the sadness. Allow it to be there. Be kind to yourself. Stay present. If you feel happy, notice that too. Do not rush past it. Be aware of joy when it is present. Every moment of awareness is a moment of meditation. Every moment you return to the present, you strengthen the mind. Every moment you remain calm, you build peace. Now bring to mind a simple intention for your daily life. Silently repeat, may I be aware. May I be calm. May I be kind. May I be balanced. May I live with peace. Again, may I be aware. May I be calm. May I be kind. May I be balanced. May I live with peace. Now bring to mind your day ahead, your home, your work, your family, your tasks, your conversations. May you meet each moment with awareness. May you meet each person with kindness. May you meet each challenge with calm. May you meet each feeling with balance. This is the practice. Awareness in ordinary life. Calm in ordinary life. Kindness in ordinary life. Now rest for a while in silence. Feel the breath. Feel the body. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Sit quietly for a few moments before you move.